Federal prosecutors suggested to the jury that a document from the defense in the Kilpatrick corruption case was altered. 7 Action News investigator Heather Catallo joins us now. And Heather, how significant is this?
Well, potentially very significant, and the jury could be having some real credibility concerns with the defendants right now. Today, the feds put up 2 different witnesses who disputed the dates on a daily field report that the defense had originally introduced into evidence.
The gigantic 15-mile road sinkhole. It was a huge muddy mess back in 2004, and now it's causing some mudslinging inside the Kilpatrick corruption trial. Federal prosecutors say former Detroit Mayor Kwame Kilpatrick and his friend Bobby Ferguson are accused of scheming together to get Ferguson in on some lucrative repair work at the sinkhole. The feds say it took weeks to get Ferguson in on the deal, but he ultimately got hired as a subcontractor to Inland Waters Pollution Control. Last month, defense attorneys showed the jury a Ferguson Enterprises daily field report that was dated August 23, 2004, and suggested Ferguson crews had been on site just 1 day after the sinkhole happened, not weeks later like the feds alleged. But today, EPA investigator Carol Paskevich fired back, showing the jury the same document that she retrieved from Inland Waters. Agent Paskevich found the record with the date of 3/23/04. The clear implication from Paskevich was that someone turned that 3 into an 8. She also showed other invoices and records that indicated Ferguson and his team did not show up at the sinkhole site until September 14, 2004, nearly 3 weeks after the collapse. Ferguson defense attorney Mike Ratai got Paskevich to agree that she was not an expert document examiner and that she had no idea who created the record.
Obviously, we have one interpretation and they have another. Just like with text messages and other documents that have been put in the case. So,
was the document altered?
No, of course not. The document wasn't altered. Not at all.
Next up, federal prosecutors called Walter Rozicki from Inland Waters to the stand. Rozicki also told the jury that Ferguson did not arrive on scene to work for them at the sinkhole until September 14th. During cross-examination, Rozicki admitted that he doesn't know why his records were dated for March 2004 and said mistakes are often made on reports.
Federal prosecutors also switched gears today and brought in a witness to talk about Ferguson's work at the renovation of the Book Cadillac Hotel. That testimony will continue tomorrow.